Malacca is a living testimony of the cultural heritage and tradition of the East and the West. The state was listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2008. Malacca is part of the 100 Resilient Cities Network, an initiative pioneered by the Rockefeller Foundation. The state also promotes low-carbon growth to remain competitive, systematically manages the natural resources, thus enhancing the livability. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Datuk Seri Utama Haji Idris bin Haji Harun, Malacca is looking forward to adopt the Green City title.
The energy efficiency project falls in line with the energy efficiency and renewable energy pillar outlined in the Green City Action Plan, or in short, we call it GCAP, and it plays a definitive role in helping Malacca to achieve climate resilience and sustainability. This project is a stepping stone for Malacca to adopt the title of Green City, thus as an exemplar for other Malaysian states.
Through the use of Danish development assistance, DANIDA, Denmark and Malaysia collaborated for many years on an environmental cooperation program. The character and nature of our collaboration has now changed. There's a greater focus on commercial relations. I think in that respect it's interesting that there is a growing and huge demand from the Malaysian side for technologies and competencies in the field of green tech. And that is actually one of the areas where Denmark has seen the fastest growth in terms of exports.
Buildings consume approximately 40% of the global energy, 25% of global water, and they emit about 1/3 of greenhouse gas. Existing buildings represent significant energy-saving opportunities because their performance level is frequently far below current efficiency potentials. Electricity and natural gas are required, from maintaining comfortable temperature to illuminate our spaces to running computers and other appliances. The indoor climate quality can be improved using known available technologies and significantly reducing greenhouse gas emission from 30 to 80%. Plus, becoming more energy efficient will certainly make good business sense. However, it requires a lot of effort to persuade the concerned parties to invest in the initiative. Also, huge cost, procurement and regular performance monitoring are major hurdles faced by building owners in the implementation of energy efficiency. But Danish energy efficiency partners Sendirian Berhad, DEEP, could offer the answer to all these. DEEP provides expertise and funding for the project, such as engineering and design, procurement, installation, and monitoring of energy-saving projects. DEEP was established by the Danish Energy Management, which is part of the Danish Management Group and the Danish Climate Investment Fund, managed by the IFU, Danish Investment Fund for Developing Countries. The Danish Management Group, a consultancy firm based in Denmark with 10 branches worldwide, has participated in more than 1,200 projects with investments between $3 million to $25 million. Based on the passion for energy, Danish Management Group strives to build an energy-efficient and sustainable future in an affordable way. The Danish Management Group has uniquely positioned itself to support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The 4 key goals give important direction to the Danish Management Group founding mission to do business responsibly. To provide affordable and clean energy, ensure sustainability, climate action, and also successful partnership. Malacca took a lead role and works closely with the Center for the Indonesia-Malaysia-Thailand Growth Triangle. This is a regional initiative of the IMTGT to form a consummate collaboration with DEEP on promoting green initiatives in 32 states and provinces in these 3 countries. Other international and local organizations such as ADB, EPU, MIDA, and the Energy Commission of Malaysia have assisted to advance this collaboration.
I believe we will be able to achieve our green vision with strategic planning and active task execution by the necessary parties and agencies to realize the state green agenda.
On the 23rd of June 2015, Malacca became the first state to sign an energy performance contract. This project, valued at $10 million, will save energy in 9 state-owned buildings, thus becoming the first showcase in the region for the new Danish solution. The Malacca State Building Energy Efficiency Project is delivered through an Energy Performance Contract (EPC). The Energy Performance Contract (EPC) is a form of creative financing for capital improvement, which funds facility upgrades and an increase in efficiency through energy cost reductions. Through an EPC, the Malacca government has appointed DEEP as an ESCO partner. Using this partnership, a facility owner can pay for today's facility upgrades with tomorrow's energy savings, without tapping into capital budgets. In other words, keeping the upgrades off the balance sheet. In a nutshell, DEEP as an ESCO provides holistic services to clients to create a win-win situation and ensure the clients realize their green aspirations.
Generally, the project has improved the indoor climate of the hospital, bringing down the energy bill and also preventing waste in resources. It was a great experience to have DEEP on board, especially on their professionalism and holistic approach in the finding a long-term solution to the operational problems. I'm looking forward to work with DEEP in the future for the benefit of the people and environment.
The success of transforming Malacca into a green city is the result of innovation, collaboration and team effort. The key to deliver sustainable energy services is not power plants, but people and knowledge. DEEP is certainly a leading example.